Cloud storage. Imagine being able to import your local sound files into your cloud storage with the all-new Vadi Sound Library. You can drag and drop your desired sound into Vadi Sound Library and you'll see two different selections, local and cloud. Drag it to cloud selection and release the sound file. And your sound will be uploaded in a very short time. After that, you can edit your own sounds in cloud storage on the top. It's that simple. Wait, there's one more thing I want to say. That is collaborative storage. You can transfer your local sounds up to 50 gigabytes of collab cloud space without any data loss. High quality sounds, simple solutions with Vadi Sound Library. Join us now.